This is a quick video review of the Ryobi 18 volt Whipper Snipper. I pair mine with a 5 amp hour battery and it seems to do a great job. I've got a pretty small but average sized block, plenty of grass though, and I'll easily get 4 Whipper Snippers out of this before I need to charge the battery. Does a pretty good job at what it does, whipper snippering, so it'll do all these edge bits and any of the long grass, no problems whatsoever. It's probably not the right whipper snipper if you've got buffalo or other thick varieties of grass. I use this trimming line, the whipper snipper cord, in the whipper snipper. That's what I use. I get it from Bunnings. That's what the packet used to look like, but now they've gone to a more compact style. When you start it up, it self-cuts to the appropriate length using the attachment blade on the head there. So that way, you've always got the right length. Durability, this thing is durable. It is built to last. I've had mine for a couple of years and I put it through a lot of yard work during that time and it's done a terrific job. It does have a built-in edging feature which in my opinion is completely useless and you'll never use, because if you want to do edging and get it professional looking, then use an edger. That's the edging. As you can see, if you're doing a quick job at it, it doesn't look very good at all. So get an edger. Don't use that for edging. Just get that for a whipper snipper and you'll be fine. There we go. So overall, great piece of kit, 18 volts, perfect for my lawn. Self-cuts, easy to put the new line on there, great piece of kit, highly recommend it. And it's good to add to your Ryobi collection, being that it's 18 volt, you can swap that battery on other things such as edges, which this is not. This is a whipper snipper. Right, thanks for watching. It's great. If you're worried about getting one, just get it. Get it with a bigger amp hour battery than what you think you need, because it will last you longer in the long run. Alright, see you.